root a minus root a minus 5. This is the 5. So find out the value of a. How? First, we can square of both of sides. So square both of sides. So root square. So cut root and this. So a minus root a minus 5. This is the 25. And now there is the a and this a. This is the minus here and this plus here. So root a minus 5. And now square of both of sides. So cut this. So and this is a minus b formula, whole square formula. So there is the a square 2 a 25 and 25 square. This is equal to, this is cut here, so a minus 5. And now there is the a square and there is the 50a, this, and there is the this and this a minus 5. Now this is a square and this is the minus 50a and this is the minus a. So minus 50a and this is minus a and this plus 65 and this is the plus 5. This is 0. So here the a square and this is the 51a and this is the 0. And this is the equation. And now we can write this is a square and this is the, we can write the 21 into 30, this, and there we can write the minus 20a minus 30a, this plus this, and this is the this 0. And now there we can write this, take the a common, so a minus 21 and there the minus, this is 30 common, take, and this is the a and this is the minus, this 21, because minus and minus, this is plus. And now there is the a minus 21 and there is the a minus 30, and so a minus 21, so this is the 0, so a value is 21, and a minus 30, so a minus 30, and so a value is 30. And prove this. So first a minus 21, so there is the root 21 minus 21 minus 5. So 21 and minus 5, so there is the 21 and minus, this is 21 and 5, so 21 by 5 is 16 and 16, and this is plus minus, so this is the root 16, so there is the root 21 and this minus, and this is the plus minus is 16, so there is 16, root 16, so root 16 is 4, so there is the 70, but there is the not equal to of 5, so this is not proven. So a minus is a equal to 21 is cancelled, and again a is equal to 30, so 30 minus 5, and there is a root 30, and there is the, this is the 25, root 25, and there is a 30 and 25 is the 5. So there is the 25 and 25 is equal to 5. So this is the proven. So A is equal to 30 is right. So A value is 30. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.